Hello, so today is a little bit windy outside. It's quite exposed where we live, so I thought it'd be a great idea to show you how windy it actually is. And in an ideal world, tomorrow I'll show you that the greenhouse is still standing. Potentially tomorrow I might actually show you how we're going to repair the bits that are broken, but you know, fingers crossed. So I'm going to go and get suited up and then take it outside across the field to see how the greenhouse is getting on. Right, that's me suited up. So here we go outside into the wind and rain. So I hope you can still hear me as we go outside because it is quite windy. The weather app tells me project that's not quite done in this greenhouse. Oh, right, I made it. Kinda looks like it's still standing. So I think the wind is supposed to get up slightly yet for a couple of hours. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go on straight yet, but so far so good.